Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable all CPU cores Windows 11. Type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab. Click Advanced Options. Check Number of Processors, select Maximum Number of Available Processors. Check Maximum Memory, select Maximum Memory Size. Click Apply, click OK. Click Restart to changes effect. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.